video, I am going to tell what is the procedure for getting admission into KV in class level for non-KV students. So first of all, we should go to Chrome and you have to type kvs.gov.in. So when you type, so many links will come. So in that you have to click the second link. And when you click the second link, you are going to get in the website, KV websites. So when you go about KVS, when you go there, so in directories you have to click the region/ZIETS. So in this, when you go here, you can check the which region you want to get admission. Like if you want to get in Ahmedabad or Chandigarh, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Patna. So in which region if you want to get, so you can click this link. So I want, for example, I'm just showing for Hyderabad. So when you click this Hyderabad, so in this, when you go to directories, you can get links of KVS. When you click links of KVS, that time in Hyderabad region, what are the schools of KVS? You need to see, it is there, they will be showing. For example, they have showed Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli KV, and they have also said Guntur KV, Anantapur KV, Bongir KV, Adilabad. So they have said so many, as you can see over here when you scroll down over here. So for example, I'm just showing how to get into that website. So I'll show, for example, I'm just showing Boinpelli. So when you click the Boinpelli school website, so as you can see over here, so for getting what are the notifications if you want for admission notice or registration form. So in any website, if you go any school website, the same format will come like this only. So when you click on the view all, so you'll be getting the application form also and the admission notice. So in admission notice, you can find what is the last date and whatever the all things. So as you can see, it's the same. But how to fill the application form, and I'm going to show you now. Okay. So for application form for class level, which is there, I'm just downloading. But before that, I would like to say application form for every KV school is same format. So, okay. So I'm just downloading. I'm showing it. So this is just a sample one. Means it's a KV Boinpelli application form. But most of the KV school the same format only into there. Okay. So first I'm going to say what is the process, first how to fill the application form. Okay, first of all, name of the pupil in full. Name of the pupil in full in block letters as per 10th certificate. Means when the 10th class results were declared, you'll be getting a marks memo, right? So in that marks memo, how is your name? How is your name? Is it is there in the initial is there at last or first? How it is just like that? Only have to type it here in the blank box. Okay, and school name, last attended with admission number. Means till 10th class, till in which school you have studied, and then where which admission number was there, you have to write over here. And then date of birth of yours, you have to write over here, and Aadhaar number of yours, you have to write over here. And which caste do you belong? General, SC, ST, and OBC. So which caste do you belong? You have to tick it. And whether differently able means yes, then no. So name of father and mother you have to write over here. Whether your parents are working in central government or public sector or state government or private organization, in whatever they are working, just write over here. And next thing is we have to attach your passport size photo over here. It's very important. Okay. And fathers and mothers address means in which office your father is working, your father's and the home residence address, that is home address, and your father's landline number, office landline number, and your father's mobile number. Then your home landline number and your mother's mobile number. And qualifying exam passed and year of passing. It means in which qualifying exam did you pass and year of passing. So qualifying exam you passed is 10th, right? You have to write 10th, and year of passing, which year you have passed, you have to write over here. And which board you have passed, SSC means SSC you have to write. CBSE is CBSE, ICSE is ICSE. So, and then 10th, 10th point which is there, grade and grade points, okay. So, in English, as per your 10th class marks memo, which grade did you got in English, just write over here. And which mark, how many marks you got in English, just write over here. And Hindi. If we have Sanskrit subject in 10th class means you can write the grade and the marks. If you don't have Sanskrit subject means don't write it, just leave as a blank. And then maths and science social. So total how many marks did you got? By the in marks memo you have to write over here and the how much percentage. And next second, let us go to second page. When you go to second page, the 11th point which is there that whether participated in folding certificate, put tick wherever applicable and specify the event enclosed relevant. So if you have participated in any competition sports, so if participated means you have to specify the what is there is related to you. If not means leave as a blank. And if you participated in any 10 days adventure activity means whichever place you visited, so have to write over here from which day to which date you were there over there, you have to write it. And then the most important thing comes is which subject decided by the streams, which stream you are choosing. So in some schools there will be MPC stream and some schools there will be MEC stream. Some schools there will be MEC, yeah, MPC and MEC both will be there. In some schools only MPC will be there, right? So for that, in this, so in some schools I am just doing the sample one. See. So in this video, I've covered how to get into the links of KVS, how to get directly, and how to see each and every school application form and how to download it. What is the notice I have said. So if you want, I will provide the links of KVS link in the description box. So you can directly go to the website and I can do cover the registration form. So at last, I would like to say one thing is that so if you are filling the registration form, first of all, one form we have to give the soft copy to the school through email. Another form you have to give to the school through a hard copy by submitting, okay, at the school to the school only. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and thank you.